Good morning everybody, all students. Today I take your GK class. In the previous day I discussed chapter 2. What is the subject matter of chapter 2? Castles, palaces and forts. I give you total description what is called castles, palaces and forts, and give some description of I gave some description of some forts, and I will discuss later about this, but today I give you some question answer. That is, answer the following questions. Your book D number question answer. I joined with this question answers three questions, and I add these. So first question, where is in your book there are some options. Where is Buckingham Palace located? London, Sweden, Paris, Switzerland. 4 options, but you write the correct answer. You follow your book, but I write the answers here. Answer the following questions. D number 1. Where is Buckingham Palace located? Buckingham Palace is located in London. Okay. Number 2. Which is the largest occupied castle in the world? Answer. Windsor Castle. Windsor Castle is the largest occupied castle in the world. Okay. Question number 3. Which palace is made of brick and stone and represents French glory? It is located in France. Okay. Answer. The palace of Versailles is made of brick and stone and represents French glory. Okay. 4. This palace is Lhasa is directed a UNESCO World Heritage Site as it symbolizes Buddhism. Answer. The Potala Palace is in Lhasa is declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site as it symbolizes Buddhism. Okay. 5. The movie Padmavat showcases this famous fort. Which famous fort is shown in the film Padmavat? Answer. The Chittorgarh fort is shown in the movie Padmavat. The Chittorgarh fort is shown in the movie Padmavat. 6. Which is the biggest castle in the world? Answer. The Prague. The Prague castle is the largest castle in the world. Okay. 7 number. In which palace the president of India lives? The president. Answer. The president of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. 8. In which palace the president of USA lives? Answer. The president of USA lives in the White House. Okay. Number 9. Name a famous architect. Mr. Ratish Nanda is a renowned architect. He and his organization are working towards restoring the historical monuments in India as they represent our rich cultural heritage. You saw it in your book in the below page number 13. Okay. This is your question answer. I repeat it again. D. Question number 1. Which is Buckingham Palace located? Where is Buckingham Palace located? The Buckingham Palace is located in London. Number 2. Which is the largest occupied castle in the world? Windsor Castle is the largest occupied castle in the world. Number 3. Which palace is made of brick and stone and represents French glory? It is located in France. The Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is made of brick and stone and represents French glory. Number 4. This palace in Lhasa is declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site as it symbolizes Buddhism. Answer. The Potala Palace in Lhasa is declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site as it symbolizes Buddhism. Okay. 5. The movie Padmavat showcases this famous fort. Which fort is shown in the film Padmavat? The Chittorgarh Fort is shown in the movie Padmavat. I represent this page for 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, and this page also. Okay. Next, question number 6. Which is the biggest castle in the world? The Prague Castle is the largest castle in the world. Okay. In which palace the President of India lives? Answer. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Number 8. In which palace the President of USA lives? The President of USA lives in the White House. Okay. Question number 9. Name a famous architect. Mr. Ratish Nanda is a renowned architect. He and his organization are working towards restoring the historical monuments in India as they represent our rich cultural heritage. I show it for 1 or 2 seconds. This page. Okay. Now I give you a worksheet. Collect based on this chapter 2. Collect some approximately 5 photos of palaces and forts and paste them in your scrapbook. Write 4 or 5 lines each one of them. Paste one photo and write 4 or 5 lines. You must take help from your Google in your Android phone. Okay. Now I give some description in the previous day. That is, in the previous day I have already discussed, but now I discuss this. What are called castles? Castles are fortified residences or a group of large buildings that are constructed with strong walls to protect against attacks. Okay. What are called palaces? Palaces are residential palaces which are designed for comfort and elegance and are occupied by royalty, heads of state or pope. Okay. What are called forts? Forts are structures that are a kind of military fortification and are built specifically with war in mind. They are used to defend territories. Okay. Now next I give you some forts and palaces which places in India. I discussed it in the previous place. That is Rambagh Palace situated in Jaipur. Gwalior Fort is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Daulatabad Fort is situated in Aurangabad. City Palace is situated in Udaipur. Aurangamal Fort is situated in Telangana. Umed Bhavan Palace is situated in Jodhpur. Okay. Next, I discuss about some forts. That is the Lohargarh Fort. The Lohargarh Fort was situated at Bharatpur in Rajasthan, India. It was built by one of the Jat rulers, Maharaja Surajmal. Lohargarh Fort is one of the strongest building in Indian history. The inaccessible Lohargarh Fort could withstand repeated attacks of British forces led by Lord Lake in 1805 when they laid siege for over 6 weeks. Number 2, you will see in your book, the Jaisalmer Fort. The Jaisalmer Fort is the second oldest fort in Rajasthan, built in 1156 AD by the Rajput Rawal ruler Jaiswal, from whom it derives its name, and stood at the crossroads of important trade routes, including the ancient Silk Route. For this reason, it is also known as the Sonar Kella or Golden Fort. Okay. The Chittorgarh Fort. It is one of the largest forts in India. It is located in Chittor, Rajasthan. This fort was the citadel of many great Indian warriors such as Ghoda, Badal, Rana Kumbha, Maharaja Pratap, Jaimal, Patra, etc. Okay, next I discuss the St. George Fort. The St. George Fort is the British first English fortress in India. It was founded in 1644 at the coastal city of Madras, the modern city of Chennai. Madras, modern name Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The construction of the fort provided the inputs for further settlements and trading activity in what was originally an uninhabited land. Okay. Next, the Red Fort. The Red Fort is also called as Lal Killa. It is situated in Delhi. It is built by the great Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Lal Killa is named Red Fort for its beautiful walls made of red sandstone. Lal Killa is Red Fort, or Lal Killa is made of red sandstone. The great monument stands at the largest monument in Delhi and is known for its beauty and majesty. Okay, in the previous day I have already discussed this and written. So, but now I also discuss it, and today I will discuss some question answers and some project work. Listen to me. Project work you do in your art and craft book, and if you have no art and craft book, you will also do it in your school copy, any school copy, and cover it up and write project work for GK. And you get it from the market, work education cheese, SPW cheese, in which shop SPW items is bought. You have got go there, you have to go there and buy some chart. That is project work, collect some photos of prices and forts. You have got chart. If you do not got chart, if you do not get any photos, you have to draw, or you have to collect this from your books and paste in your workbook, craft book, and write 4 or 5 lines about it. You have got it in your Google, in your mobile phone, Android mobile phone. So you can help you can help for this in your from your mobile phone. Okay, today I have completed chapter 2 totally. Next Saturday I will start chapter 3. Okay, thank you. I hope you will learn it at your home wholeheartedly. Thank you very much.